Hopeson for a higher juicy news. Mima Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot news and I'm a bravo. Now, answer is something in our bebano. Pomodi say over subscribe to channel. Now, while like a video, give us a thumbs up. Nafi Sheba or Fufrosuna when you be here. Now, who else someone elcoso or Ghana Memo Hanum. I feel you share a year and someone abeto yaponoso. You could see a year Sansamoya Kosu, Mama Intia a Yankomoya Kosu.
A lot of energy contracts were signed without or no notice. Now, a group point here, we hear documentation near Freno or Casavonia.
Really? Na adiani really. Enye NAPO na okoto GMPC. Na mo pese omonton GMPC. E na o se onje ntum no. Na hwan na ye board chairman enye Freddy Blay.
Yeah.
Why are you surprised? Why energy to say GMPC needed to be auctioned? Enye Ken Ofori Atta mo.
She Myanmar e course under previous government no. Say abayi ka say or take action. One you obey no. Na
party ne money
pass. 3/4 of the leadership ni na go in Sawam. So on yet no.
Wow.
I am telling you, Myanmar course no na just emfa kwan mu. Like Nkrofo aba be dada yen. Say the bank guarantee aba. Ko hwe ya de ne fake. Minister said no, you just here. O broke over here, what we do was it? And you see a better over. Now, which there no harness of fire.
Party harness of fire. Hey, all right.
What is of fire?
It's just by the way.
Eh? Mami Gawi, the push you had a bit. Omuka say omupe, you know, on the contract and your nesign, would him or no minister, but would him quite almost fast or sign contract. And 2 year documentation. I don't call report to number Akufo Addo.
Hey,
I know Akufo Addo friend say at the chair we hear no. Who said, I said we 2 year fast. No year documentation fast. No sign here. I know Sumai no the call finance. I know the copy car who say or more receive one stamp media no so. I know we answer. And you all connection na yimu na boko. Also draw already. Just say you to two man left, right, center. I say, I don't know my why you even had the why no ya don't know the channel. Afi na uja for ni mo twa.
Yes, wow, be wadwen say na wo be block kwan bi e be fa so aye be lutu o man bia no na ye de wato.
Oh yes.
Etam kruwam.
Yes.
Now that's if you can't beat them, join them.
I didn't know my boss was also fire. Alan Germany didn't know also fire. All because of some of these things.
Okay.
But although they all come back at your plane, say, I do way M1 and Timinye. Or back at your street. So, no. I didn't have that honor, M1 or mine, and I will not do it. The suffer or you can say suffering will come in no, Nasichra, I don't know. Eti, a toda, I know because last will be say, I didn't be and I'm saying near medium menu, and a medium what I dance here. What I say? Say, Oko Energy Ministry, NASA dubious contract, ye, last will call your ultimate will be crowd, would need certificate of commencement, would need like nothing. Will be on Grana, or register, you know, Grana, yeah, you, Akufo putting applications or register company near man contract and that. Any other. Maybe I was on no one yet. Now, what Tracy Pans so a particular line. There is a particular line be, and as a family beer, sa contrast no coho. I don't know, a coho and a poor what we are minister today. More see as in saying, no, oh baby. Here, so Mocas or more the power contrast near the other. You almost sign or Minister of Finance. 9 cases say, hold almost sign. Media. We are special. Naka, Nako, you go just say, or best already, Janaka, America. Because one can send him, say, near white yellow, a month for a castle move comua. And so, I'm not calling Sabe 15 times. What I say? You bet Jelino, no, that's no, as I didn't free home, but yes, I Jelino. Or Becco Jade Bibri. So near you know. It is some of these things, you know. Me and Yamwa say President Mahamadu in penny for Amakwan say Ubianye the Juma. I just say Obuye Juma near Mansu Yeden, Koso. That Obi or Hodoma, oh yeah, and you don't have any background in finance and now if you now control the financial institutions in this country. What do you expect?
Collapse banks.
What do you expect? So we know. And na meet a year no or cash and be say we get 29 billion how we collapse banks no. Nanka banks in here just 9 billion and they did 29 billion a collapse. Now 29 billion, what person was a banker, you need 400 million. It is a what divide here. Nanka say more than 20 banks. More than 20 banks. And cases all this says can now collapse here, establish. It is a bank if you cry watching on us 1 year. Would you one casanka you were nuclear sa banks and Ankasakra day? Nakasikana or the cocoa gunu. Now they are establishing new ones. You can net menu say. Okay, well, indigenous banks, you know, be brave. I say, as social media now. It is a new MD combat or a Juma. Oh, yes, ye bo na baso. What's that make us say or say my classmate be or no so near friend combat. In fact, we ref in a first day, muno. Just say or no so no ye school na. Or ya yipa and this new idea and ye shanade say onyere no ho na wonye adwuma no na enkoye ahyase ya hyase ye bo abaso no mema no nye yi ema otimu nya ode bebre go all out they make sure what we say ye Chinese ni bia be see private refinery.
Yeah,
what would the effort of government in that?
So much.
The government the effort of the president, the effort of the sitting president, yes, the effort of the sitting president himself in that refinery. Oh yeah, that's constituency.
That means we saw cast bad train now. Essentially, say now refinery say yeah, Juma.
What yeah, Juma? And then people know push bibia de kohodum. Because that man is a good friend to the GMPC board chair, a former GMPC board chair, former chairman of the MPP. Nadan for power. So on the etino, just say you push your mind at the end of Fankoma that private, you know, no make iska. Na sika omo make no at least almost so jo omo na omai no sofa. This is the kind of people na omudi omai nanim. So on the no eti Ghana for me dem bia na make say ye damase se mutie yen ni ye ka change motie ama change aba me say na make ka change do say me candidate and win there, but change no aboa Ghana papa. Just imagine, say, Nanka MPP are retaining power.
Nanka turn a good.
Tongwa. Share in some way, Papa. Share national service. Share national service, no, Attorney General. Mr. Mumbia, because a grand scheme. In 24, you are aware. Share Mukobuyo. In 24, Sika no buya Jubilee House no modego.
No mo diskan ko Jubilee.
Oh, me so obo dia gran somewhere be bruise ogromaze no ho. E somewhere be bruise ogromaze no. Hwe omo ti wono mo no. Omo hihye mu sabre, asibe ni omo nkrofo nyina no. Ya fro omo abo omo ano. Na mo de mo mia mo ano, mo nkwa na mo kwa hyensa wam. Ye be confiscate mu properties. Mo be ba no na mo be starting from ground zero. Na nkrofo na mu disika no komo omo no omo ma ba be ka kire mo se mo ya kromfo. Mo ya kromfo, sa no mo be ka kire mo.
Yeah.
Me Attorney General me wie kra mehwe se metima fa office wo no ma. Esi akoko bia yi no bi so na fa omutimi to ade no why. Hwe me gifted eya me offer se offer me offer baako ne ma me say everything na ebrebi ana me tra fidie so adwumre na mka say de NDC for ye me wo fa se no mani nyo ho wo ye deputy there's ayi general ayi no MD na nkasa na ono ho no ono no mu modidin ana deputy no ana budi na si ayi so ana fe mi ma process go through answer obi betima face car wafa ana the day ba form kakra asa sorry the same thing look hwe abaya de yese o pepeni bi ahia no ade na di nkomo bi no mo broko no ana wo ye na adwen sa ne obekasa o catch obi sa ne obebiem the next morning their friend say oh pedi no pesi ohia what boy no nipa close to 14 and at all na utum rade yankopon na fe ye panicho say onya botre won to no boase ne kai ka ho hey omoboa speak out
exactly
speak out Moses says he can't do the akoma won Moses sana mu dia kwa koma won wo musi yedin musu mu yedin me
skana drosso do
me say me kwa to the general ho so betima protect me wo fa se na amame a wo biem na ka bo hu nkrofo a wo mu do mkwa kwa gyina ye ka de say court honum wo mu ma no ma ye yese tam wo mo manam fofo ayeye say tam wo be kwa kwhyense wom asopa wo dwene wo ma ho open up but admona ye ko ayi ase no by elections ase no by elections
oh ase no ja chekwe
my credible information tells me say ekonum na no mu yisika free go my credible intel no mu yisika ediko so the whole thing was a grand scheme she ne edi mo etim no ye ka se ye ka mu be dwane afrikrom ha o mu be dwane afrikrom ha na me o se ebra ye ka ajapade ye na o mo de makokot afi ni e be case management ye be sha se adua bi a be bo okrom ha se no and see a static case no what you say Bernard me say wa fa phone ana say won fa phone ana wode me akokot say me dey asem ato so meanwhile no we dey you no wonim say phone no wa fa but because the management of photo ankita ye can say evidence no na evidence no ye beji wo wiem be bodua say nipa no de ma akokot no say ye no crazy odi mu hwe ana ode me kokot a won fa do hu ni enko free what you say na say odi mu bi pa court do you call the 3 times na no mbekasa no bia susu behu na bia na me bodo me mbode keko me bo me aye the coverage ankasa
ba press conference
dia mo nya botre ne ha de na mo sorry a just look what you go round share burdens new development e koso insase na him for dia share ye wo abrante edu okrumase say MPP can say President Mahama person who MPP for wo mo G state line na wo mo nya sa branch no bi hu ni na
okay
wo mba hu ni na look adi mu ha ya
di mu ha
wo bi di me fa hodum oh we die ni and wo kire me bi egu hodum say me so me nko apply bi na me say bo
me nam he
man go apply ene wo kwa yabubu high rise buildings ana yade ko hodum yedi gugu ho je for no de ade no wo be wia yen da wasa dia ba be di atem
yeah no akajo so wa mobra
ye e ko so Ghana no enti combat enhwe se wo ye adwuma ni nyina no obe dive into it so on committee bi no mo hwe just dubious activities be a cause unti ade agency ka no no mo wi a wo mo di amato ni general for na fe ni ombe no no mo ti maye eti NSS ya ye wi akoja me attorney general
mate ye be ko
ye be ko biebie mo
ye be bie mo ho and never was a beam. Near you be out to I was say, as I said, I said the name is Century Refinery. Oh, yes, Century, but that's it. As I got off for Lonia Mapa. All right, but at the answer say petitions are the for the removal of electoral commissioner and the 2 deputies. They say the special prosecutor come. Presidents are referred to Chief Justice to establish a prima facie case.
Yeah, but many worker and some way over the so.
No, a campaign.
And Amaka say, I am surprised. Said Dr. Bosman. Energy Mensa. Omodaso Eye Juma Ewa Electoral Commission. Nima. Because he is the mother serpent of corruption. I feel you went in to try to prevail. And a papa no or resign here. Mukofa Kisi Ajabin Edibai. And I keep asking, what is the special prosecutor supposed to do that the Attorney General of Ghana cannot do? But Ebedru baby no. Attorney General Nankasa Kase. In fact, Godfrey Damino can say, only Attorney General Achishem until we are here to say Attorney General can carry on with some duties. Naturally, say you crafted an act knowing very well that Attorney General's functions cannot be hived up because Constitution and the Attorney General, the power at the man. So the office of the special prosecutor is useless and is more than duplication of the functions of the Attorney General. And no, and I Kisi Agyapong, in my opinion, only Ken Ofori Atta akoye deal. And no one Ken Ofori Atta Edwane.
Hey, oh, nah.
Say a phone call. No answer. And I'll bet you a letter. I'll respond. Only Ken Ofori Atta akoye deal. Because now no make say Obia Ehun, the kind of pressure Gabby mounted, and his choice was Kisi Agyapong. No, nobody knew Kisi Agyapong. And once Gabby pronounced Kisi Agyapong, Akufo Addo appointed him as the special prosecutor. Does Gabby move without Ken Ofori Atta, or does Ken Ofori Atta move without Gabby? They were two partners in milking our nation dry. Inti, who say those are now ebano, edoso, or my Ken Ofori Atta APA. Knowing very well that Ken will not come, because 1 minute. And now you come and declare him fugitive of justice. Attorney General say, okay, why you follow process the Anuinano, Interpol, any obia, essay, you bet me, into Odia fa. Baby, why ye we Jumano Akodruno, Fabrayan. Then we can take the next action. Umum, o Otchere Ghana for. Say, justice move slowly, that you cannot speed up. Attorney General, no, I say, baby, I will do a untimin quenim, no, Fabra ne yasu yanshare. I feel the only docket be only any procedure be at the command Attorney General. Are you not in cahoot with Ken Ofori Atta to ensure that Ghana is milk dry? So I'm not surprised that there are petitions already. Like I said, Arise Ghana. Even as these petitions are on, I'm sure that our protest against Kisi Agyapong will not stop.
Okay.
And we will take it up.
Commander.
Yeah. Jemensa. And the 2 deputies. Me Famfree Jemensa. Na oye Obiana me penasampa ana like me cherish you know. The year 2000, before the 2000 elections, that was where you organized the first presidential debate.
Yeah.
Na that time very young ne remember penasempa I just say na me follow no. In fact, when we are talking about democracy, the Fourth Republic, were part of it. What you mean a burden. At a point in the institution, na omo any three political parties general secretaries. In fact, omo and omo MPs were parliament. My names were extending to others in the I didn't know, but omo parties are no more MPs or parliament there. Now omo to omo general secretaries every month any other. And now a good thing.
My church na youth organizer became general secretary. Outreach the Mukatra.
Okay. Chese, yeah, who yeah. What be chairperson of electoral commission for there. Chese Bibia Jinsem. Any other. Now we young family na young fast born more Akufo Addo. Because or no and the cocoa be sa kwan no to ho. Afarijan was the electoral commissioner through Lawrence Penso, Befer Muko 4 Penso, Eba Mercy Penso, Emma Yebebi Ura, President Mahamadu the first term. I just say after election petitions are what they call retirement. And President Mahamadu appointed a new Afarijan was not removed, or retire. Or retire and as you see a new chairperson. And they appointed new chairperson. And then before say, hey, Yampene, that dynamic can be people. Because hey, oh, yeah, the sitting president, or no namrano man of quine say, or appoint you be. Or appoint you be, I say, won't you say? Nasa didn't buy ya, natures a quacoya, say. MPP take you over, pet. I can tell you, up to now, Charlotte said petitioner no only Benadmona. Charlotte no petition yet.
No signing yet.
Look, Emebiana Meka said all these things were orchestrated at the Jubilee House. But we here, you know. Everything was done at the Jubilee House. So we understand up to now, you ain't anybody didn't seen that. And they call you. It's the way I say, buy na man for sorry. Oh, and she said, go say in the Kagaman. Let's just say, what you said at all. Say, obey to Suba, or to be to me. I investigate it. None of the lady Abba. Any other. And now, man, call ya Cocofa James, deputy. No, boss, my salary. No, yeah. Test come for patron. Ewo Lego. No dear. What done what he said? What you say? Enti Munchena. Oh, Chinchina time. One see David. Now we are going to head of IT. No, Bono. Yeah. Now, or Kasama MPP. Any other woman to buy a month for Kasaya. See Chinchina time. Akufo Addo determine say na me. What do you mean, Sana Anjani? I know yes, I know Manina. And Monya Dumanumpo Nanka, one tea. Nagana for who say, oh, you made a what tea? What is it? Anna and Hunko Kwasa. Look, the Mesa declared President Mahama, president elect. What declared was say, I can't 9 constituencies there. Wamuntimi enya yimye na okasa na ni nyina bom ne de ma eye Mahamadu Bawumia na still no ensisa the who won the elections and you know go ahead no President John Mahama nya 56 point something without the 9
yeah
ana Bawumia nya 41 point something without the 9 Nine no beka ho mo ye bibia wie no. Na President Mahama move up for 57 point something. Na Bawumia ate aba 38 point something, 38.3. Another smaller parties no so ejinya na ese so munyinya. Wo mo ko gazette no na manfo tima kwako ye kululu ase ye gazette ne 41 no. Na the man gazette 56 no. Am ko gazette 57. And you walk of fat and answer, we check out who say, yes, I'm grand. And you say, what do you expect? And you an official gazette, an official, and your kululu. Ano mo ye?
No mo ka aka naipe.
Aka naipe. Na so the aka nine no pe. Na je me say ko. You see, initially, nanka men pese in kebedu sa stage way. At least, President of the Republic, when I am president, so war in Shishayebi, a year. Once all your state institution, the president has the right to be having that kind of meetings and other things, how the democracy we can build upon and in the Kakahunina, so on. But ocean we may be a SCCR up to now. Look, how can a country like Ghana, the fourth Republican state, now you call elections? Elections now you call constitution number point say ultimately call as independent candidate. And the political parties so etimico. And you see okay, ya TBB a friend of IPAC. Interparty advisory committee. Yeah. Said that time, you know, what more ya and get say interparty and independent something. What when you tell? Our man is but just a qua as a war call elections are once you matter in the elections, you are participating in the elections, you know. As a set of meetings, you know, more Ukobi. James and Kwan's one independent phone Kobi. What kind of nonsense? Say, parties to do here will be independent for Sawu more than one, Sabu, Sawu more than one. Sasa will be then Waka. I don't think political parties and take a decision. How independent for a decision on Muteki or Montiasia? How do you synchronize it?
Even balloting.
Balloting, rather, just here, political parties, and Sababa, and yet about damn someone. How can this thing happen in the country like Ghana? How? Yeah, better to the same day. The same people, the same voters are going to queue and vote at the same time. You need two different, you say, yeah, two political parties, you have two independent. Are they? It's one of the me first, but say dear, I fully support the remover. Mamu manage tempo. Mamu manage. I don't know. What do you say? Kwaku Annan. Obi ya wojina independent be suffered because omo deny accreditation. What do you go to deny? Omo anga say omo my accreditation no. Omo say omo my at the top level officials na omo you know I don't know kra no bra ye bremu. After ye polling agents Omo kono omo the letter call omo say there be your person candidate in anga. What kind of stupidity? What kind of stupidity? Bernard Mona, mo party, and you general secretary they sign.
Yes.
I don't know among say party there. The candidate should sign the letter. Election day. What day why yako? Yes, ko na o candidate. Nipa na ono work panda no.
Ono be dan hu ala na manasa.
So dey tie no. Omo ma yan crop for no, you can say accreditation. Now before then, now MPP for Chama won't to me because I vote ni na you become MPP.
No, my kofa I know I register my MPP for as MPP agents.
Almost soon they recruit too. You can say presiding officers, you know, most of them 90% MPP for. Tino mu kagumusa, omu kagumusa any ade. Now what's it? No one kasa or smarter. Kasa bring ko put in resignation di dada. Na ko man na tima consider na hwe se obetimi agya no kwan kakra eni ade. Obetina ho twintwina atwan. Twintwina atwan fo no. One the only one kasa ko eko escort ni hwe ade. Onye no one kasa ko eko escort ni hwe ade. What kind of a you know? Look, you got two by election or eduso. And this is for withdraw one could be. MPP and then independent. Yeah. So these people cannot be trusted in the first place. And to me, I fully so like ABC though. Charlotte says one petition penny at you. One
petition crampono. Nipa na outro and the signature ni ho. Where there 7 with identified people.
Ebi I'm quite so grable. But you say petitions no cover 15 that meet here one lawyer be no organ. So on yet no. Ebi see that. Say sad way etimi ahapeza. So on yet no. Now okay, you won't say you and umu kosroba for mu pa mu nsu mo je omu beko. Wa mu beko because in semina 2
minutes second zip line at 7 and 9 minutes.
Good. Let's media minim say Justice Bafuben obeye near SSA or ye ebano ekoi because nyama no mo dia atototo akwan mu no enya de say I mean gross incompetence e bi ni na me bubo so yi what you say declaration of Ukraine no just apakoye problem the na Benadi kai political parties within that day now by midnight omo who say oh yes. This is the result now what you honum now yes I na so okona competent person ba na fi otimi bebe yi Kisi Agyapong so no there what him say MPP for and I did buy initially na omo fi say Matiamidu ene Jo Mahama omunte mungu enti ka omu ba be yusu Matiamidu na omu de aguda ni mwase enti Matiamidu mrana omu keka kansa o ana airbus ana dian na chese watimi ayayi na before then no say na Bernard kano hwe wo say Martin President Mahama the first time no na yes I don't know say na open na no nyanti o who say no church person pa yeah church no ma accusations in the big allegations na fe o say oh papa wo de nyana say no nim Mahama no oh obegwie no ana mo kofa no ne vetting ade hu say eh Samuel Martin Tiatintia no chocho yina no sa nenga hu.
Wasu ne makrampo nyaneba. Okay. Because they are not my children, they are adults.
Hey! En someone get nga hu. Aja. Omu ye ya naja. Ya omu passe no anu okwatena no. Wo se omu first yi onye airbus. Wo ye ya onu ahu che hwedim. No nani na mu afede ohun sade no engoye no na o resign na o resign no something happened along the line men kan wa sam sisia na fe awon for say sade we ya si de ane mode Kisi Agyapong ba be okay bejam within seconds ni eti an si announce Kisi Agyapong hey someone was powerful to propose he said adena we mi kura no mejamu a gise mo de sa lawyer we abeye special prosecutor papa ya wadwani Ken Ofori Atta any gabby na de Kisi Agyapong e bai ana chese e appointed no wono so ba ye eja kukro na fe you say airbus is ensem who say at a point no who say won cooperate so maybe oh sadio mi pese mi yesi no mu cooperate ana mu yesa na mu betu no ana mu ma obi so tro petition e dey bra proof at the one or reverse man Justice Tokonu na Justice Tokonu tro no and here or reply who say tro dey editor so a utimi kan kama enye ya afi there Yakokodru ya na chese hwenim na chese se eja no ma no ho no onu so call airbus no so ye ya no ka se oh airbus no ma hwehwem ma ye bibia Chese, honestly, so she knew President Mahama, the whole foot, fita. Any other, hey, MPP 40 Kwapai. Go MPP for I saw one way Papa Sujin. That petition we are I think it's going to be a national issue. A national issue in the sense is NDC MPP will agree, say Papa, we want you home call.
Opposition for now will grab a so
I don't see any division.
Yeah, okay.
Say, that's a Omanu be divided on Kwesi Agyapong. I don't think so. Because MPP for Nangasa per se permanent that. And I quite another beto. And this is for the say, not the way you see a good way, the way you go better. Well, you can't say, oh, I perceive ye, what you best say in the mamma. Etino, and ye, at your other dear, meaning say, a national interest. Say, or no bepo. Eti, share the way I know say yen in Yama. No, yeah, you share every year, Sikania the office of the special prosecutor. Nienka mum. Nienka say Juma Bain and no my year gross a cause financial loss to the state, just like that. Who every moment. Emranda Akufo Addo ye no wo share that office in there or ye send ko the babetiti and this keke. In that now ka say ubetimi a prosecute even a sitting government no. E ye then now Sunday cross kokko share ho say obey prosecution just oje authorization every attorney general. Because sitting minister who be prosecutor na as a attorney general to me clear answer. One clear one won't me. What would you know? I don't want to start in the best just to protect themselves. And no, Anna, na alacha mateka say, sa existing laws in na CID special prosecutor near the thing na young consolidating in one. Near just one unit fight corruption. And then we me mami sisi adapadi ya obre ozo madania ma yoko how but say one person na ya money to me prosecutorial powers won konkoji to me bien free attorney general wa and we can say corruption related issues I tell you say you betimi akoyenim enti going forward no I think say see yi we free mo President Mahama should look at the law. No one say obetima consolidate nanka waye no stronger na watino every attorney general say manage powers e ba say yenye prosecution won koje powers in free no any idea I think say nka ebeboa entimi de petitions na akoni na we support petitioners no say nyama entimi ngukoye because say united party ye body structures any idea ye mpekwa Anna, mode afe na mo banti no mo ntwe iPark meeting no mpenifo no ko wia na mbaba ye mpesa de no biom.
All right, yes me time na so but you zip line ade we dey mo ncha me just 2 minutes me we sisi a no minister say zip line na adwuma wa say ye nya na ye o aso condom ne niema o si na me say na mwem ya papa nyina o so condom
na condom na
yes say na no nti de buy so on fa mo jan ko fefa hospitals adanse e ka so on ko so condom no fa so e ka na say e dey ma
condom yeah part of health products but yeah on a more serious note say Hopeson ka ho baby am de no be ka ho
o de ne be ka ho
zip line ya mo dey buy zip line na me ankasa me bra edieni na se wotie part of the story o se ni mame na ne papa o yare ya na omope blood
omope moja
ena kofa we bra emu na ne papa efa mu ewu ya nti omode concept no ba ye pe
na nije
ho ena okofa abaye ena me bi san say na sika no a mode ebabetu ya nipa no. Have you checked it? The cost of the drones Yankee editor planes me,
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.